Let's take a look at how you can build a tree diagram in OpenDocs. It's straightforward, flexible, and you can set it up as a reusable component or keep it just for a single page. If you want a reusable version, click the plus icon beside any node and choose New Component Page. You'll see the diagram picker appear, asking you to select the type of diagram you want to create. Head over to Mind Maps and pick Tree Diagram. You'll enter the editor with a clean starting layout that's great for breaking down ideas into branches and sub-branches. You can construct the whole diagram manually or let Create with AI give you an instant starting structure. Just a quick reminder, using AI will replace anything currently on your canvas. Once the draft is ready, feel free to rearrange nodes, rename sections, and expand the tree until it matches your content perfectly. When you're done, hit Save, then click the back arrow to return to your page. Now your tree diagram is reusable. You can drop it into any page whenever you need it. To insert it, edit the page, click Insert, go to Mind Maps and choose Import Existing. Select your diagram, and it'll appear right on the page. If you only need the diagram once, you can also create it directly on the page. Just click Insert while editing, choose Mind Maps, and select Tree Diagram. The editor opens, and you can build it manually or let AI generate a first draft. And of course, you can adjust the AI-generated version however you like. Save and close the editor, and your tree diagram will be added to the page.